Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to the program. This is Brenzo from Brenzo Gears and Gadgets. So for today, we're going to have a demo for my trusty Leatherman Wave. So first off, this is my first take of making videos or vlogs for my gears. So that way I can better market the items to my buyers and also to show the features and purpose of the products. So for now, this is the original Leatherman sheet that has packets in it, also available in my Facebook page. So yeah, let's check out my tool. Okay. Alright, so this is my first Leatherman. I think this is a second generation of Leatherman Wave that I bought in the US year 2017. Still looks brand new, sturdy, really compact. I think it just weighs 241 grams. The length of this is just 4 inches. It can turn to a ruler, 8 inches ruler here. Okay, so I think this is the famous Leatherman model, as it is really light and compact. Alright, so one feature is that it can be operated by a single hand. This one is a 420 shear foot serrated knife, really sharp. Can be used to cut ropes. Okay, this one is just plug it here. By default, it is just that. Okay, it has a locking mechanism, so you just press it down. Okay, so really a safe to use. Okay, alright, other side would be the clip point knife, also really sharp, double blade. Okay, press it down. Comes with a saw. Other side is the knife, the file, metal and wood file. Then, by the way, for those who are not familiar with Leatherman, Leatherman is I think the industry leading in terms of multi-tools. I think that is next to Victorinox. I think the Leatherman is the industry leader for multi-tools, being it has it is really compact, it has pliers on it, and really light. Okay, so made of stainless. This one particularly is a 18-in-1 multi-tool. For the next coming days, I'm going to create a video demonstration for the other Leatherman tools that are the 19 21-in-1 tool. Okay, so for this one, it has a needle nose pliers and also regular pliers. Comes with this part is the hard wire cutters. This one is for the regular wire cutter. Leatherman Wave, we have the Leatherman Wave Plus. That one has a replaceable wire cutters here that you can remove and purchase separately, just in case it breaks. But for this one, definitely is a trusty. It's been how many? 6 years. Still sharp and still no cuts here. I mean no breaks. Okay, so let me show you the other tools here. This is the large bit adapter with flat screwdriver and Phillips. I'm also selling the 21-bit bit kit that I'm going to show you later. Okay, has a locking mechanism here. Let me release that. It has a can bottle opener. Also comes with a wire stripper here, really sharp. show you the other side here. Flat screwdriver, also can be used as a scraper. This one is the small bit adapter or bit driver. It is a Philip and a flat eyeglasses screwdrivers. Okay. This one is the one handy for me every time. This is the spring action scissors. Yeah, really handy for me. Okay, just put this down. Alright, okay, so let me show you how it looks like with all the tools release. Oops. Yeah. Yep, 18-in-1 multi-tool from Leatherman. Okay, and also the small ones here. Okay, so for the other accessories available, let me show you the large bit adapter. If you need to use it for like a narrow space and you need a larger bit or larger driver, I have this original bit extender, also available in my page, where you just need to pull this in, pull this out, put it in here, then put the bit. The bit also, I mean the extender has a magnet inside, so the bit is going to be snug and will not fall off. Really handy. Okay, you can even make it that way for more grip, for tightening or losing. Okay, I also bought this adapter in the nearby hardware where I can use this. Let me show it to you. Okay, just pull this out, put this in, then voila, a good tool to use. So yeah, let me show you the bit kit. Okay, this is the bit kit, original from Leatherman. It's a 21-bit double-ended tool that you can use. Extras eyeglass screwdriver here. So yeah, it's like you are a walking multi-tool or walking tool. Really compact, really light. Yeah, all is ready. Okay, let me remove. Put this back in. Leatherman Wave. In the next few days, I'm going to make a video of the other Leatherman models like Surge, the Charge, OHC, the Moot, the Rebar. Yeah, so watch out for that. Yeah, for this video, since this is the first take for my vlogging of my tools, so yeah, hopefully you will be able to check out my other videos that I'll be posting in the next few days. Okay, 0917-634-5916. This is Brenzo from Brenzo Gears and Gadgets. Thank you and enjoy the day. Bye bye.